Hello and welcome back to my third video. So here we are again in our test driver, and let's just take a look at what we've got here. As you can see, we've added a few more X paths for our bot to navigate with, and down here we've refactored some of our code. We now have a function called test_add star. And this is actually going to add a star to our database. So it's going to start by navigating to the star screen by clicking the star button on our landing page. And once there, it's going to wait until the add button becomes clickable on that screen. This is what's going to allow it to open a modal pop-up. And in that modal pop-up, there's going to be a text field where it's going to enter the name of the new star, which in this case is going to be Bob. We're going to name our star Bob. And after it's entered the text into the text field, it's going to click the add button on the modal pop-up, at which point an HTML alert will be generated. It's going to let us know whether or not the addition to the database was successful or not. So it's going to wait until that alert is present on the screen. Then it's going to accept that alert by clicking OK. And then it's going to close the modal pop-up window, which will usually remain open. And after that modal pop-up closes, it's going to inspect the star table, and it's going to look for that new entry, which is named Bob. And down here we have an assert statement. So if the XPath is correct, in which case we're looking for an entry on the star table named Bob. If it finds it, this Boolean is going to evaluate to true, and we will assert the results and we'll get a passing test. So here we go. So a blink and you'll miss a moment, but let's take a look at our web page, refresh, and there we go. We have a new star in our database named Bob. In my next video, I'm going to expand this a little further and add a planet to the database, which I have some code down here for that next. And in later videos, we'll refactor this code even more and take our test methods out of the driver and put them in their own files.